In this video, what I want to do is talk about Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin was a cryptocurrency pair which we saw yesterday. Actually, we actually saw this before this movement went up. Okay, but we got a bit lazy. We didn't record this video. So right now, what I want to do is I want to break down Dogecoin, and I want to share with you whether I think it's time to buy. Is there a buy opportunity? Okay, or should you be looking to sell? Now, if you have not been trading crypto or you haven't been reading the news, one of the big things that happened to Dogecoin is that it just got listed on Coinbase. Okay, so Coinbase is a platform where you can buy cryptocurrencies, you can trade cryptocurrencies. So this is a huge thing, right? Because there's going to be liquidity. That's where people are going to be able to trade. So when there's liquidity, then of course the trading volume is going to go up, and that also means that it's going to get more volatile and price is going to move. Okay, whether it's going to move up or move down, it's something else, but that's why I record this video, right? Because I want to show you what the chart is saying. Okay, of course you can go ahead to read news like this, you can check out Elon Musk tweets, you can do all your research, but ultimately all this are just opinions, right? Even this video is opinion. What I like to do is I like to look at the charts, okay? Because charts tell me the absolute truth, right? It tells me the emotions of the traders. It shows me where the key levels are, because I don't just want to know that, okay, I should be buying. I want to know where I should be buying, where I should be getting out if I'm wrong, and where should I be taking my profits, okay? I don't just want to know that, okay, everyone is buying. So right now I have the chart right here, and what I want to do is I want to just break it down for you. Now, the first thing worth noting is that for Dogecoin, again, the big trend is still up. So let me just explain to you. We have a uptrend when price is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so it's something like this. Okay, this is a series of higher highs and higher lows. Okay, this is basic technical analysis, something that you should know. Okay, if you do not yet know this, right, please study the basics. Okay, please do not just trade without understanding how to do technical analysis. Again, this channel has many free resources. We have a free day trading guide which you can download. Okay, we have a lot of trading videos on this channel as well, so make sure you subscribe if you have not already done so. Now back to this. So the first thing to note is that series of higher highs and higher lows means that we are in an uptrend. Okay, so just look at this Dogecoin. The overall trend is still up. Okay, because you have a high here, you have a low, you have a higher high, higher low, and lastly a higher high right here. Okay, and more importantly, this low has not been violated. Okay, in fact, if we were to switch over to the line chart and just plot this level right here, okay, and let's say I switch it back to the candlestick chart, you can see that even this low wasn't broken. Okay, price had the massive sell down right here, and it started bouncing. Okay, it tried to bounce once, failed, started selling down, and then it started bouncing, and this time this movement right here, it's stronger. So let me just get rid of this first and break it down for you further. So the first thing is that the trend is still up. Okay, the second thing to note is that there is a trend line. Okay, if you were to connect it from here, this low to this low, you can see that price found support right here. Okay, so this is not the first bounce of this kind of like this trend line. You can see that right here you have this bounce right here. Okay, this was the first bounce, this was the second bounce, and this is the third bounce. Now I want you to focus on the price action. Okay, this one is a very nasty spike, and then after that it started selling down. This one is kind of like a piercing pattern, okay, because it closed above more than 3/4 of the body of this candle. Okay, and lastly you have a very nice big extended range candle right here. Okay, so from this you can see that this buying was quite weak, and then after that this buying got stronger a bit because of the candle, and then this buying is the strongest of all of them. Okay, of all of these three movements, this buying pressure is stronger than this and this. So for this reason, I think that there is a potential for Dogecoin to break out higher. Now there's one more key important level that I think is very important to highlight, so let me just clear this and then I will break it down for you. Now this right here, it's a swing high. Okay, this is another swing high. Okay, so one thing that you have to know if you want to buy Dogecoin is that price is very close to resistance right now. Okay, so this is looking like a potential head and shoulders pattern as well. Okay, so if you are not sure what a head and shoulders pattern is, basically it is a reversal pattern. Okay, it looks something like this. Let me just draw it for you. Okay, it looks something like this, and it's actually a reversal pattern. So if price has been trending up, then this is kind of like a bearish reversal pattern, meaning that it comes up and then you expect price to start selling off when this pattern is confirmed. Now, if you were to look at this head and shoulder pattern and look at where price is currently, then this could potentially look like a head and shoulders, right? Because you have the left shoulder here, you have the head right here, and you have the right shoulder over here. Now, granted, a head and shoulder only is confirmed when the neckline is broken, which in this case happens to be this trend line. Okay, so please do not just get all worried. Do not panic because this is a potential head and shoulders only. It's not confirmed yet. But I feel that it's very important that I highlight that this is an inverted, sorry, not inverted, but this is a head and shoulder, and this level right here is very important. Now, the last thing that is worth mentioning is that this was the previous retracement. So you have price going up, it comes down and it retraces. So what this zone, or rather this entire length, tells us is that this is the maximum strength of maximum strength of bulls in the market at this point in time. Okay, so this length, okay, this entire box represents how much bulls are willing to push price. Okay, so what we can do is we can take this box, just shift it down right here. Okay, just shift it down to the bottom right here, and you can see that this box high coincides with this potential head and shoulders pattern right here at 14.5034. Okay, so there is confluence to suggest that this level right here is a strong level. Okay, nonetheless, doesn't mean you can't buy, right? What I'm just saying is that price is very close to resistance now. Okay, if you want to buy, then please, okay, wait for price to break above this level minimally. Okay, do not chase the market right now, because what will happen is that if you were to buy right now, there is a potential that price will just go up, okay, be resisted and then come back down, and then you would be panicking, right? Especially if you do not size your position properly, you do not control your risk, or you don't know how to manage your risk, or basically you do not know what you're doing, then you're going to panic. And if price comes down here and eventually goes up, and you panic and you get out here and you lose money. Okay, so that's not what I want for you. So it's very, very important that you take note of this level, 14.5034. Okay, this is the magic number. If this level is broken, I believe that we should see the recent high right here at 22. So it's quite a good profit target, right? If you enter somewhere like this, okay, let's just say you enter like that and you have a target somewhere, you will probably still get a good risk to reward of 2.2, meaning that if you risk $100, you're going to make $220. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you got a ton of value, right? Just take note of the key levels, right? This is very important. Please do not chase the market. If you'd like me to cover other opportunities, right, let's say other crypto opportunities in the market, right, do shoot me a comment down below, because I cannot observe every single cryptocurrency, right? I focus mainly on Forex, so that's what I specialize in. But if you have a need for me to look at one of these instruments, one of this crypto, please let me know. Okay, let me know in the comments if you see something, and I will just verify it, and my team will consider creating a video like this, and we'll just highlight all these kind of opportunities just for you. Okay, if not, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.